Just got in a couple of Hawk dump trailers. There's two of them, two heavy duty 7x16 dumps, 15,000 pound GVW, 4-foot sides. Got it in stock in a bumper pull and in a gooseneck. There's got two 7,000 pound brake axles, heavy duty 14 ply 8 lug tires, four-foot high sides. You got 2x6 uprights on the sides, the brace in the middle, and the brace, extra brace down here at the bottom. Makes these sides really heavy duty. You've got LED lights all the way around the trailer. You got a heavy duty scissor lift. Hawk does scissor lifts on all their trailers, all their Hawk series trailers. They do have an economy line, but this size doesn't come in one. You get a 12-inch on center floor with the 10 gauge floor, metal in the floor. Like I said, we can get this in the gooseneck option or the bumper pull option. The gooseneck is slightly more than the bumper pull. Got your power up and power down, your remote. Go down and up. And if you want to pull your remote off, you can pull your remote off. It unplugs right there. And your pump and battery secured underneath here in a box, in a lockable toolbox. You can lock it right there. Got a 10,000 pound jack with a drop leg. I usually have the spare tire mount added to all mine, so this one has a spare tire mount as well as the other one there. You got the heavier tread plate fenders on the side there. You got 7-foot equipment ramps underneath it that slide out so that you can load equipment, your bobcat, whatnot, whatever you got up in the trailer. The 4-foot sides, they'll all have the barn door style gate on the back. You can see the floor, it's a one-piece floor, front to back, and again, that's the 10 gauge floor in there. And you have the rounded non-stick sides in the corners. 4 D-rings welded to the sides. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. DOT tape, reflective tape all the way around. Heavy duty hinges on the side and corner post. Got that extra brace down there in the corner, the 45, give these corners more strength where it's weak right there in the corner when you're opening the doors and dumping trash. If you get a bumper pull, you get a chain basket right here in the center. I believe the gooseneck had it too, just up high. Mounts for a future tarp. If you want to add a tarp, we can add a tarp to any of the trailers. Bumper pull, you get an adjustable 2 5/16 coupler or a pintle ring, whichever you prefer. And the spare tire mount for the side again.